Hi and welcome to Wrong Way, and inside of this package is the Kaabo Mantis Pro 60 volt 24.5 amp hour e-scooter. So let me tell you more about it. Wrong Way. First of all, also huge thanks to ultimateebike.com. This is a shop in Budapest, I believe, and graciously enough, they sent me out this unit for testing purposes. I was waiting for a Mantis Pro for a very long time to, test it out to see how it performs also against the TECHLIFE X7 or 010X, which I already have some experience with. And yeah, they just wrote an email to me saying, hey, you want to check it out or test the Mantis Pro? And I said, of course! So here we are. So naturally, this will be only a unboxing video where we check out, what's in the box, how it looks like. We'll compare it a bit to the TECHLIFE X7, which actually is right there. And yeah, right away I can tell you that the box for the Mantis is just so much smaller than the one for any T10 DDM scooter, albeit, oh look, wrong way, TECHLIFE X7 or 010X. All right, so right away, a charger, 67 obviously. Output is 1.75 amps. So yeah, full charge probably something around 12 hours. Here's the, I believe this is the Kaabo Mantis logo or something. Chinese tool, some nice styrofoam. And yeah, now we need to put the handlebar in place. By the way, if you ever do work on your scooter, I highly encourage you to check out like this sort of tool because it has a screwdriver and the hex screws, which you need all the time when working on scooters or wheels. And with such a tool, you can just turn in one direction, and you can also have more force if you just turn it this way. Super cool. All right, and right away I can see the Mini Motors iDisplay throttle. And yeah, this throttle is just so much better than the QSS4 on the Zero or TECHLIFE scooters. Way more responsive. I think there's also a bit more functionality to it. Pretty cool. You can also right away see we have the Zoom hydraulic brakes. And for a scooter, which is around the same as a 010X or TECHLIFE X7, this is also a very welcome addition. And the scooter is for 2,000 euro. Sadly, there's no coupon code. Maybe we'll work on that in the future, so be sure to check out the description box below. And here it is in all of its glory. I've put it also next to the TECHLIFE X7 so you guys could see the differences between those two. And yeah, the Mantis is 29 kilograms, this is 35, so a lot heavier. But this should be a bit more sturdy. Aluminum construction, 60 volt, and a peak power of around 3,600 watts total, so around two times 1.8 kilowatts, and here it's I think around 2,400 watts, so this should be a lot quicker. Battery here is 1,500 watt hours, and here I think it tops out around 1,200 watt hours. And yeah, hydraulic brakes, pretty cool, and a very short mudguard. And there's also the Ultimate e-bike branding here up on the top. So here's the handlebar. Let me just turn it on. Works. Yeah, it works right away. Eco turbo buttons, same as on the TECHLIFE X7. There's also a light button, and the Mantis actually it has some cool blue lights underneath here, and some small LEDs up in the front. I think these are actually quite a bit weaker than on the TECHLIFE. Let me check. Yeah, these look a bit more powerful on the TECHLIFE. And as you can see right away, there is also no key on this handlebar. Now you can get this thing as a add-on, but it would be cool if this would be right out of the box. The clamps are, quite similar now in size, both of these scooters. And but all in all, like from the construction, this looks a bit lighter than the TECHLIFE X7. Let's see about the charge port situation. Charge port is here, and there's just a single charge port. I don't know how fast you can charge it, but probably 6 amps should be fine. Still have to check on that. Here's the kickstand in a better location than the TECHLIFE X7. Rear lights, and they do also have brake lights. Here's the rear hydraulic brake, and also a footrest, similar to the one on the X7, but once again a bit smaller. Now, a cool thing about the Mantis is also that you have this part here. So if you want to actually fold the scooter, so if I fold the scooter, I just use this hook here to align it properly. Boom. And I can lift it up, no problem, as opposed to the X7. The X7 just doesn't have it at all. So yeah, when it comes to the unboxing, I think that's it. You will have to wait for the review of the Mantis Pro to find out more about it, and probably we'll also do a comparison video with these two side by side, comparing the suspension, which should be a bit harder, stiffer on the Mantis, and of course the performance, range, and so on. So if you're still here, leave a like on the video, subscribe to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.